And welcome to Jack's Tech Bar at BizRise.io. What's the first step to getting started with Twitch? Let's head to Twitch and check it out. Go into your URL, twitch.com. Okay, when you get there, come into the sign up button, username, Iron, Forge, Players. Password, put in your password, birthday, bada bing, bada boom. United States 720-81. Okay, and that is all you have to do to get started with Twitch. When you fill in that information correctly, meet all the requirements, click sign up, and we'll take you to the dashboard. That is step one of getting started with Twitch. Okay, and that is